Okay, a warning system came on in the car saying that it's time to replace the battery and the key fob for the Honda Pilot. So this is what you basically do. You remove the key from the slot. Use the same key to open up the key fob. There you see the battery. Simply pop it out. Replace it with the new battery. Snap it in, and basically that's it. And then you just squeeze it back together. 1, 2, 3. Put back your new key. And that's basically how you do replacement for a key fob for a Honda Pilot and probably any other Honda vehicles. And as a bonus, what I do, I normally just slip my key fob into a silicone that I bought from Amazon, like $10 a 2-pack for safety. And that's it. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And that's how you replace the battery. And the battery should be 2032. Thank you.